To fight Boko Haram. You can't be killing them and you want me to have joy. I don't have joy in this country. Whatever the youth are doing, I'm in support of them. Life. Where are the shout from? I don't get joy. I don't get joy. You can't be killing my brothers and sisters. I left them behind to fight Boko Haram. You can't be killing them and you want me to have joy. I don't have joy in this country. Whatever the youth are doing, I'm in support of them. Life and direct. Be you who. I don't get joy for this time. I'm a soldier, but I can't support bad thing. I can't support bad thing. You can't kill my brothers. You can't kill my brothers. I'm here fighting Boko Haram. You can't kill my brothers that are left behind. You can't kill my family. Where are the shots from? I don't get joy. I don't get joy. You can't be killing my brothers and sisters. I left them behind to fight Boko Haram. You can't be killing them and you want me to have joy. I don't have joy in this country. Whatever the youth are doing, I'm in support of them. Life and direct. Be you who. I don't get joy for this time. I'm a soldier, but I can't support bad thing. I can't support bad thing. You can't kill my brothers. You can't kill my brothers. I'm here fighting Boko Haram. You can't kill my brothers that are left behind. You can't kill my family.
Okay, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. How are we all doing today? So I just want us to make a quick reaction or a quick, report, if you may use the word, just to let us know what is playing out and the situation at hand. Now, you just listen to that soldier, one of the Nigerian army from Igbo origin, I believe. What he said, he understands the situation at hand, even though some politicians claim they don't. But the truth of the matter is that they do. But because of what they want to gain, because of what they their own benefit based on what is going on, you will not hear them making any comment. Just like this headline said, Southeast leaders, whenever Fulani buy Igbos in Southeast, fact 100%, prove me wrong. And this picture, there's no word here, but the meaning of this picture speak volume. If you know, you know. Look at it here. He won't talk, he can't see when when it has to do with their own people. So before we go through this video properly, I would like to encourage you to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are not. If you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Just give it a try. Join us here as we preach the gospel of the truth, making sure that we set the record straight. We are not here to side anybody. Okay, you may not believe that because somehow what you say here is not what you want to hear because of who you are supporting or who you think that is your favorite and all that. So we are going to listen to this. Okay, as you can see here, Channels TV made it clear that Plateau Pines, we have failed you. Move to apologize to community. I don't know who the person is, but I believe it has to do with Nigerian army. So let us just watch this video together. That may help you to understand what is going on. This is the Plateau State. A Plateau State is not a Fulani territory, but they keep on fighting and trying to dominate. Remember last time according to one of army spokesperson, he said that what is going on, and even Musa said it. That one of the things that is going on in the Plateau State, that is just like a communal, a kind of ethnic war going on there. Because to them, Fulani think that Plateau people have dealt with them. Remember, that is the state from where Gowon come. His own state. That is his own his state of origin. You know General Gowon, right? The one that lead Nigerian government to buy Biafrans in the name of civil war. When I was in my secondary school, maybe even in tertiary institution, I was thinking that Gowon is a pure Muslim, hardcore Muslim, or I did not even know that he's a Christian from Plateau State. Imagine what he did. Can a Muslim man do the same thing to their own Muslim community? I don't think so. But that's a story for another day. We are here just to go through all those things for you to know what is going on. Let's start. You can see how stranded and confused Plateau people are waiting to see anyone to help them. You understand? They are looking for any help at all. Anywhere it will come from, they don't care. Almost every week, almost every week in these recent days, you will hear 50 people died. 50 people died. Not they are not doing it, it's just because of the platform. I would have share with us the way they are burying people in Plateau. Like when you have this kind of there's a virus that was buying chicken before. That started somewhere in China before. I don't know if you can remember that. That's what they called is it SARS or something like that. I remember those days. I think that was Obasanjo's regime when they told us that if you buy chicken, you have to boil it very well. How many of you remember those days? Anyway, what I'm trying to say is that people are buying there like chicken. Gowon's own state. Okay, somebody who tried everything to make sure that he end Igbo people and all that. He's still alive. Master told him that you are alive for a reason to see what you have done for yourself. Now, can he probably come out now and tell us that he don't regret what he did? Let's continue. Let's continue. So I don't want to go to too long.
I will tell you the truth. I myself I have been crying since yesterday.
Now, this is the governor of Plateau. Okay. He said, I will tell you the truth. I myself have been crying since yesterday.
Because I had trusted God that all the arrangements were put in place, that this would not happen again.
That he trusted God that all the arrangements they put in place, that this will not happen again. Meaning that it has been happening, and to him they now have military strategy and everything. With that, this is what will happen to you when you refuse to admit the cause of your problem. Do you understand? Those who follow this news will understand what I just said very, very well. Listen.
We have made investments in security, but like all human arrangements, sometimes they fail.
We have made all the security arrangements, invested in the security and everything, but it seems like woman arrangements always fail. This is what happened to you when you call your problem to be your protector. I mean, people who are buying you, you call them to be your protector. This is what you see. Listen.
And I want to admit that on Sunday night into Monday morning, we failed you.
I won't admit that on Sunday night we failed you. Just pay attention.
Please forgive us.
Please forgive us after people losing their lives and life of their loved ones.
Can this woman needs medical attention? Please. Can we get attend to her, please? Computer.
There is a trending video that states that when some military men happened to in that video they were crying, laying calls on Nigerian military, and everything that they buy them and they sabotage them. You know what that means? They will come and bring people from the southern part, or maybe, of course, Igbo area, Igbo people and all that, in the name of serving a nation, go to north and protect. After all, Nigeria is one indivisible unit and all that. Hey, you wear your khaki and jump out, you are going there, as an agile man, agile person. Why sending you there? They will call their brother to lay ambush and quickly send them to judgment. It did not start today. It had been happening. So maybe the number of people that want to send to the north seem to have reduced. And for them to recruit other people, that's why there's a video. Many of you, why I'm saying this, because I don't want to start hitting it, going deeper, because I believe that many of you are following the news. Like what happened, the recent one in Enugu State, how when the military leaders and other Nigerian military, decided to ask for recruitment of Igbo people to army and all that. Before this insurgency and the threats are going on in that is eating every corner of Nigeria up. Before now, they used to tell you that Igbos have less, the number of Igbo people they are allowed to join military are so slim, because the quota in this eastern part is different from the one in the north and the west. Now they are trying to, even the quota that they've offered to Igbo people, they are not getting the number. If you want to bring thousands of Igbo, there's a form for you. Go there and join. Why? Because they have laid a plan to send you to judgment faster than ever. And that is why, if you don't accept, if you don't believe, you're your own. I just flashed a comment or a short video of someone who is currently serving in army, that is telling you that he is not happy with what is going on. The that our brother is still serving, but he's serving, but you can hear him, his own grievances, and he understands what is going on. That they will send them to north and send their own people to east. That is why, if they are buying you, your brothers in the east, and they are laying ambush on your brother in the north, can you beat that? Yet we call ourselves as we are very smart and all that. It is true that there's no job. Okay, so some you that want to join, there's no job. You want to, have something doing. You want to have something to earn money and all that. But remember, you as a military man, you have received training. You can also come back and begin to prepare yourself from your own base. Must we say everything? No. Let's continue.
I know there is a Plateau here. You pass, you're welcome. That place, I remember last year, during rainy season, I have to ask my people to donate the land so that this power will be effective. But I get a surprise. They say there is something they call drone. The drone that
I can't even hear what this man is saying properly. You
sighted
understand?
there
So
will be always in the right. There's somebody on that place that if there are some people coming, that drone will stop. But since that drone is there, how many times people come and attack UK nation with this power there? Yes, the people that are sent are not on the side. Take those people who knows what is all about the drone. It's supposed to, this thing happens, you will hear it, and you will take it casually. But when people are coming, they drone through, you show the picture of these people, whether, who are they, which direction are they coming. But you see that is happening.
So it seems like he's complaining about the whole thing. Like I told you, I can't hear what he's saying. The volume is quite low. Let us just allow him to finish before we move to another thing.
If it's not working, yes,
Okay, so this is that our brother that I told you about. We started by listening to his voice. Maybe you still want to hear him more because it will help you to understand what he's playing out. It will help you to know the condition.
Life and direct, be you who, I no get joy for this town. I'm a soldier, but I can't support bad thing. I can't support bad thing. You can't kill my brothers. You can't kill my brothers. I'm here fighting Boko Haram. You can't kill my brothers that are left behind. You can't kill my family. Where are the shots from? I no get joy. I no
Okay.
get joy.
So now this is go on. You can see go on here. And I don't know if this official handle of this lady. How many of you know this lady that is one of the? I think he's a speaker somewhere. Labour parties. I think somewhere in UK. I can't remember. I can't remember her real profile, but she's well known. I don't know if this is her official handle, but I love what this person, whoever that is behind the handle, what he said. He said, General Gowon massacred millions of children, elderly and young, to preserve one Nigeria. Today, his hometown Plateau has been invaded, massacred and displaced by same Fulani herdsmen he was protecting. Kama. Do you understand it? It's not an insult, but this is just the reality of the life, or the reality of life. You even today, sometimes when they face camera on him, he keep on trying to justify what he did. I don't blame him because also they never die, right? But not also that have actually lead to lives of millions. If you don't have conscience at this age, that means that the life that you are living is sometimes somehow questionable because it is very obvious that what you are doing is deliberate and you don't regret it whatsoever. You have done so well. Now, even this Israeli soldier, some of you don't know that he's a reserve soldier in Israel. He said something very, very important. He did not even hide the number of people that died in this Holy Week. Breaking 51 Christians slaughtered in Nigerian Plateau State before Easter. Easter is this coming Sunday. Where is the global outcry? Where is the world? Where is the world? I will not be silent while my brothers and sisters in humanity are haunted for believing in God. It is not a joke. Some of you may think, oh, he's just ranting. No, it is also reported in Nigerian news. 51 as of the time when they say 51, you can multiply it by 3 to get the actual number. A lot is going on, and the level of silence of Nigerian media, those that are like Arise and all of them anyway, is shocking. Sometimes out of disobedience they will report it little, but if they follow the principle given to them, you are not going to hear anything. The level of mass burial going on in Plateau State, this is just a Plateau today. It does not mean that, it doesn't mean that have any personal grievances or problem that they cannot also use on your own land. Every land, every community, every town, every state is an enemy of Fulani. Why? Because your land is still, and you are still living in the land. They want to live there, and you don't want to you don't want them to have emir, which is another problem. Why must you have Igwe Oba without emir? It's a sin. So for some of you, we say, maybe Plateau people did something wrong to them before. We did not have any problem with them. Listen, that's your land, that's your village, shouldn't be your land. So that for that singular act, you have done wrong to them. Why must you live there and the Akaneku is not a Christian? And on Sunday you gather and start praying without going to where is the imam. So these are all of you have committed to them. So don't get it twisted. Anyway, like I said, I don't want video to be too long. Just like the video and let me know your own take. Tell us what your own, you know, your own experience or what you know about what is going on in Plateau, and not only Plateau, other places, but we just focus on Plateau on this video because of Gowon, who actually claimed that Igbos, Nigerian must be one. Igbos are bad, separatist group. Sometimes he said that Igbos are level. You are trying to divide God-given. Anyway, my people, thank you so much. I'll see you again. Bye bye for now.